Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was just playing while that other video was loading, and I've kind of realized something that I actually took off from another video. If we do like we did in the previous video, and we double click on it and get the rotation to the center, I'm going to go ahead and take all the outside lines away. We don't need them anymore. But you see there's something still there. I don't really understand what's going on, so I'm just going to nudge that out of the way pretty far and grab it. Something invisible that I didn't move, and it actually caused me trouble when I was extruding it. So we're going to do what we did before and rotate it 10 degrees. So now we have half the colors. If we can Control G and group that, and then Control D and duplicate it, but make the duplicate a light gray, and then rotate the new duplicate 5 degrees, we have that alternating pattern. Control G to group it together when we get the extrude tool, and just extrude it really very little. That's almost none. And then I'm still getting a little bit of problem in here. I don't know what's going on right there. But then you can grab your rotation and rotate it. And see, I've got a little bit of a problem with that. So what the reason I did the video, because you could actually take the extrude tool now and make it a lot narrower. You know, because now you can kind of look at it, and then you can grab the rotation again and really make it look like almost think like a ring or a tire or a wedding band. Now, I do not know what's going on with that cross-hatching of colors. There's a couple of bad spots. But then you could also make some weird effects by rotating it manually inside of Corel. Just by doing this, and you get a whole different look. And I guess you could even skew it a little bit and get you a whole bunch of different looks. Anyway, that's just playing around. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.